In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge layers in Figma. We'll walk through this from the very beginning. So even if you're fairly new to Figma, you'll be able to follow along and apply this to your own designs right away. First, go ahead and log into your Figma account in your browser or the desktop app. Once you're on your main dashboard, you'll see a list of your recent files and projects. Take a moment to locate the specific project where you want to merge layers. Click on that file to open it in the Figma editor. Inside the editor, look over to the left side of the screen. This is where your layers panel lives. Every element on your canvas, like shapes, text, icons, and frames, appears as a separate layer here. To merge layers in Figma, what you're really doing is grouping them so they behave as a single unit when you move or resize them. Next, identify the layers you want to merge. You can click on them directly on the canvas, or you can select them in the Layers panel. To select multiple layers at once, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard. While keeping Shift pressed, click on each layer you want to include in your merge group. You'll see that each selected layer becomes highlighted, both in the Layers panel and on the canvas, so you can double-check you've picked the right ones. Once you're happy with your selection, you have two simple options to merge them. The quickest way is to use the keyboard shortcut. Press Ctrl+G if you're on Windows, or Command+G if you're on a Mac. If you prefer using your mouse, right-click on any of the selected layers, and from the context menu that appears, choose Group Selection. Either method will create a new group containing all the layers you selected. You'll notice that in the Layers panel, those separate items are now nested under a single group. On the canvas, if you click and drag that group, all the elements move together. When you scale or resize, they adjust as one, keeping their relative positions and sizes intact. This is really helpful for organizing complex designs, moving sections of a layout, or keeping related elements together as you iterate. And that's it. You've successfully merged your layers in Figma by grouping them, making your file cleaner, easier to manage, and faster to edit as your design evolves.